Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you important things about the top 1 features, what you have to be aware of if you want to do the challenge. So first thing first, you're gonna have account types. It offers multiple accounts that you can use. So you can have like the instant sim funded or one-step challenge, also S2F Sim Pro account, as you can see right here. And then when we're going to go further, you are going to find here also the amount of capital and the profit rate here. You're going to find the calculator. So first thing first, when we're going to look here for the account sizes, what we can find here. So the rules here is that the overnight tradings are not allowed. Also, all trades must be closed by the 4:10 p.m. EST. And if you're gonna stay open past this time, you're gonna have forced liquidation and potential penalties. Also, you're gonna have the daily loss limit here, right? That is like 1K, 1.625, etc. And then also you're gonna have the daily loss limit and trailing max drawdown. So you're gonna have also allowed news trading, and the bots EIs are not allowed. Also, another thing is that you can copy trading from the outside sources, and it's only allowed between top 1 futures account of the same type. So then every 14 days, you're gonna have like an activity rule, you must play 1 trade. And this applies to the sim funded accounts that you see right here. So then payout rules. When we're gonna check here, I just want to show you the payout rules is that you're gonna have the first payout 6%, second payout 5%, third payout 4%, Ignite accounts flat 5%, and payout caps. So for the 150k account here that you're gonna find, you have 3,500. For 100k you get 3k, then 2.5, and then 1.5. So then you're gonna have also Drowner rules, and it's instant sim funded. So here, what you're gonna find, the instant sim funded that uses end of the day trailing drawdown, and EO trailing stops moving once it reaches the initial balance. And the profit target, the elite challenge that you can have is like 3k, daily loss 1,250, and you can see right here the elite challenge, and max loss is 2k. So that's pretty much it. And you don't really have like NinjaTrader and Tradovate accounts here, so that's something that you have to be aware of. You have like strict consistency rules also, and that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.